found today, my friends. The other day I was scrolling online, as you do, and I found this bloody thing. Now, for $3, you'd expect to get something that looked like it come out of a Christmas cracker, right? Apparently, this bloody survival tool's got such a bright light on it, it'll shine up your entire campsite. That sounds a bit suspect to Pete. And also, they reckon you can light bloody bushfires with it, even in the bloody wind. But I mean, first things first, I wonder if it will ever open the beer. Yee-haa! Woohoo! So they say this bloody thing is windproof, waterproof, and shockproof. You know what, guys? If it can survive my ex-missus, I'll buy a whole bloody box of them. Now, to tell you the absolute truth, I've already done a short on this, because you know what? I thought it would be a bloody laugh to see how this $3 gadget whoop-de-doo thing doesn't actually fucking work. But it didn't really go as bad as what I thought. Anyway, guys, if you want to have a look at that, I'll put a link some fucking where, down there, up there, or down there, I don't know. You can go and have a look at that short and tell me what you think. But you know what? I thought to myself, Pete, this $3 thing deserves its own full-length video. So here we go. So what does $3 actually buy you, my friends? You get a plastic-looking piece of crap like this. Pretty tinny, and it's not going to be shockproof. I also doubt very much if it's waterproof, but they reckon you can take it through airport security because it's got no gas or butane in it. All you do is plug it into your computer or your power bank and the bloody thing recharges. You can just slip it in your top pocket there and wander through airport security, no worries at all, while you're holding your beer. Well, they check you to make sure you haven't drunk too much in the bar before they'll even let you on the plane. So let's turn some of these lights off and see how good the light actually is. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Now, you wouldn't expect much for $3, and you're probably not going to be disappointed. Oh, far out. Woo. Oh, and it flashes. Bright. Not so bright. Flash. Ooh. I don't know about lighting up your whole bloody campsite, but you sure as hell could scare the shit out of the kids. Ooh-wee. And if you got stuck on a mountain somewhere in the dark, I'm sure the helicopter could find you with this sort of light. They also reckon this $3 miracle can start forest fires. Now, there's no way that's going to start a forest fire. Holy fuck. Oh. Whoo-wee. You know what? That little thing there, and if you happen to have a can of lubricant handy with you, and you're stuck in the snow, this might save your ass. Woo-wee. Better put that out, I think, Pete. They also reckon it is waterproof. Bet you it doesn't like this. Bet you it's not. Well, I think that's buggered. Holy shitterbuck. Ah, far out. Okay, let's try it for real. Let's see if we can start a real fire with the bloody thing. Paper towel, which most people have when they camp. There's no way that thing is going to light this. Just won't happen, Pete. It just won't happen. We won't use the lubricant this time. Mind you, it's always good to have a can of lubricant handy when you go camping. You never know when you might need it, if you know what I mean. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Ow! Hot, 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 hot.
Two hours later.
Woohoo! Yee-haa! Can we get the bloody fire to start? Yee-haa! And will it save our ass in the snow? Here we go, here we go, here we go. It says it'll work in the wind, guys, but I doubt it somehow. As long as you sheltered it, you might be right. Looking good. Whew, it's getting hot in here. Woo-hoo. Some marshmallows on a stick and we'll be away. Yee-haa! So we actually started a bloody campfire with this $3 miracle tool. Can you bloody believe that? I mean, for $3. Speaking of emergency, let's put that out, Pete. Oh, now I'm going to gas myself, guys. Oh. Should have brought my sausages out to the workshop. So what started out as a bit of a joke tool, you guys tell me in the comments, what do you reckon? I mean, for $3, wouldn't you just stick this in your pocket and forget about it in case one day you actually bloody needed it? Anyway, guys, for $3, it certainly surprised the hell out of me. Put in the comments below, like I said, what do you guys reckon? Have you found any better survival gear that's that cheap, that actually sort of works? And also remember, guys, if you fancy buying Pete a beer for his workshop to keep him lubricated while he makes these videos for you, I'll put a link in the description below. So make sure you put your name and where you're from if you're going to go and buy me a beer, and I can call you out next time. And I can say g'day to you. Yeah, that'd be awesome, wouldn't it? Also remember to join Pete's tool shed. There'll be a link somewhere around somewhere. The links will be everywhere somewhere in the description, I don't know. And sniff it in burnt wood. And we'll see you next time, eh? Bye. I mean, for $3 you can't even buy half a sausage roll for $3.